your program. Are you getting? Okay. See here. Leaky bucket algorithm. There will be. This is a general example. This is a general example what I am giving. This is fixed. ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This is constant rate and this is in water. This is in water and this is burst flow with variant rate. Okay, the same thing will be doing with our system. We'll be doing the same concept with our system. This is water and a network flow and a network flow. This is a network that is NW. Are you getting? That is NW. ಅರ್ಥ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವ ಅದು? That is network. That is network flow. This is an host computer. This is an host computer. That is this is an sender. This is an sender, and this is a receiver. Okay. The left side part. This is packet. This is packet entering. This is packet and packet entering. This is unregulated flow. Unregulated flow. This is a regulated flow. This is a regulated flow. See, the left side of the diagram will tell you the general concept of leaky bucket, and the right side of your diagram will tell you the concept which we use for an algorithm. See, there is see in the left side, can you see the diagram? There's a left side, there is a bucket, and in which the bucket, there is a leak in the bucket. Are you getting? There is a leak in the bucket, and that leak will be of fixed flow, that is a constant flow. I cannot change. There will be like example, if I am pouring n number of water, if I am pouring n value of water into my bucket, the outlet of that bucket is fixed point. I cannot change, but I don't have any what I can say, I don't have anything flow stop to entering to my bucket. This is in general, that is a burst flow of in water. It is in of variant rate, but the fixed flow, that is flow where the water is getting out from the bucket, is it has been fixed. It's the same thing in an example. If I take the same thing in an example, there will be a sender, there will be a receiver, there will be a sender and there will be a receiver. Now sender needs to send the packet to the receiver, to the another network. Understand? My sender needs to send the packet from one channel to another channel. That is one host computer to the another host computer. But my host computer don't have any rules and regulations to send a package. But my sender has some regulation where he can receive the minimum amount of packet. Are you getting? The sender don't have any regulated format to send the packet from host computer, but the receiver has some regulations or regulated flow to receive the packet. For example, from the sender, I am sending 200 packets. From the sender, I am sending 200 packets. That is, from my host computer, I'm sending 200 packets, but my receiver needs a regulated format of 50. At the receiver end, he can receive only 50 packets. At this point, I'm going to fix, or I'm going to give an interface connecting with leaky bucket. Understand? I am going to fix I'm going to fix an interface. This is an interface containing leaky bucket. Containing leaky bucket. This is an interface. Are you getting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಪ್ಪ? Hello? Boy?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Are you getting? Now, sender will be sending 200 packets at once. He'll be just sending, but at my receiver point, he needs only 50 packet to be received. At this time, I'm going to give an interface between us computer and with a receiver point, where this leaky packet will collect all the 200 packets incoming from the host computer, and it is going to be stored in the interface. Now, at minimum time or any time complexity, it is going to be released how much packet the receiver needs. Are you getting? This is an concept of leaky bucket. Are you getting? Now, for example, 200 packet, I am sending 200 packets from the host computer. It is going to be managed, or it is going to be stored with this leaky bucket. At what amount of packet the receiver needs. Like example, he needs only 50 packet. At what amount of packet he needs is going to be released. After releasing, how many packet is remaining now? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ?
150, sir.
150. Getting? 150 packet is remaining. Are you getting? At this one point. Now again he is going to be sending 200 packet. At he is going to be released. That again 50 will be released. 50 will be released. What is the remaining packet at my leaky bucket? At my interface? What is remaining? How much it is will be remaining now?
300.
200 plus 100. That is 300. Are you getting the concept? Are you getting the clear concept? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Concept ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the concept? The
Yes,
same
sir.
concept we will be using with my program. Are you getting? Are you getting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? Okay. We'll check the program how it runs now. Program check ಮಾಡೋಣ. See here. ಇದೇನೇನ್ರು? Last program. See here. Right while leaky import java.util.scanner. Scanner is an what is scanner? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Scanner is in class, right? ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾರು ನೋಡಂತಾಳೆ. Scanner is in
The class.
Scanner is in class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Scanner is in class now. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು? Scanner is in class. Okay. Check the program. Check your program. See here. Import java.util is in class. Util is in package. That is a package. Java is in main package in which that scanner class is present. That is java.util.scanner. If I need to get all my classes present in util, what should be called? That is java.util.star. Are you getting? Public class leaky bucket. Leaky bucket, that is in class name. That is in class name. Now, if A is greater than, that is, if A is less than B, return A, let it be. Now, check the program. Public static void main scanner SC new scanner system. Hello. ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಹಲೋ, ಮಾತಾಡೋ. ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಪ್ಪ. Hello. Okay. Scanner SC new scanner system dot, that is I'm creating an object to the scanner class. I'm taking my input, that is system dot in. I'm taking my input int cap, that is cap OPRT operation in second count I is equal to 0, dr is equal to 0, x and result. So input of in, that is integer of new int of NIP, that is will be taking three values. We'll be taking three values according to my programs. See here, according to my program, notes helapa. See here, according to according to my program, I'll be taking input as I'll be taking input as, that is size. I'll be taking one size, I'll be taking size. One is output rate, that is flowing outside, that is flowing outside flowing outside. And next is input rate, that is incoming, packets, incoming packets. This is the input we are taking, that is size I'm taking, output rate, input rate, that is how many data should be coming inside and how many data should be going outside. After that, how much it should be remained in my leaky bucket, that is inside my interface. This is, are you getting the picture of the program? Are you getting the picture of the program, how this program works? Clear picture are you getting? Picture
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Check the program. Check your program. System.out.leaky bucket. Enter the bucket size. Enter your bucket size. That is CAP. That is capacity. He has been calling the name called capacity. That is incoming. Enter the bucket size. SC dot next input. Next integer is a method name used in scanner class to take integer value. Understand? Next integer, that is next I should be capital. Next int is a method name which is being written in a scanner class to take integer input. Are you getting? System.out.println, enter the output rate, that is how much it should be gone. Now enter the bucket size. If I give my bucket size as 3, take an example. If I give my bucket size as 3, that is 3 times your value will be entered, that is 200. Imagine markoli, 200, 200, 200. 3 times it is going to be entered. 3 times the packet will be released from the host computer. Are you getting picture? Picture ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಪ್ಪ picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3 times your value will be entered. That is 200, 200, 200. 3 times it is going to be released and it will be stored in your leaky bucket interface. Okay. Capacity, that is system.out.println SC dot, that is OPT, that is output rate is equal to SC dot next integer. If I give 50 over here, I'm giving 50 over here. Okay. Now system.out.println, enter the number of packet, entering at seconds. Seconds he is asking, he is dealing with the time, that is if I give 1 second. Understand? If I give 1 second, if I'm giving 1 second for this. Okay. Input I plus plus SC dot next int system.out dot enter 1 to insert packet. So this statement tell you that he is giving an option. If you need to enter the package, press 1. If you don't want to enter the packet, stop it. Where it is going to be stopped? Now at the middle of that, n is been running. Understand? The bucket size, that is CAP is equal to 3. If I give at the middle of 2, you want to stop. That is, you need only 400 packet to be released to my leaky bucket. At that time, you can quit the program. That is to give the option. He is been giving an option as 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಪ್ಪ? That is CH is equal to SC dot next int. Okay. Packet received. So this is all small code. You have to run this code and then you can run, you trace this code. It is all same just as your C programming. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this for loop, if loop, everything trace this code. ಈ ಕೋಡ್ ನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಈ ಕೋಡ್ ನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದು ಕೋಡ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ, ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇಂದ this till this end, this small code. I am getting this code, this small code, run this code, trace this code using for loop. They have given if loop, everything, if statement, using this code, run this, write the code and run this code. Okay, you will get the output. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ? ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಸಿ, ಎಂಟರ್ ದ packet size 3 I am giving. Enter the output rate is releasing of my packet, that is 2 I am giving. Enter the number of packet entering at 1 second. 1 second he is telling to you don't give 6, you give 4 you give, that is giving you give the input as 4 and check it. Okay, then enter 1 to insert packet or 0 to quit. 0. Now I'm stopping that. After 3 I'm stopping it. So at 3 iterations, how it will, for first packet 6 will be released. So two packet will be gone. So 1 packet will be released at one time. So getting minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You run this code and trace the code. Same thing. Bucket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಪ್ಪ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದು? ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದೀರೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ಯಾರೋ ಕೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same concept. This is an 8 marks question for your theory. The same thing you have to write with an example in your theory part also. It is compulsory question. You can just show them a code also if you want. Okay. Next is Bellman-Ford algorithm. Take down. Next, this is problem. We'll take some problem and we'll solve this. Actually, your seniors used to do this everything because continuity ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. as a subject ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತಂತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅವರು. Take this Bellman-Ford algorithm. Take an example. With an example, we'll trace this and same thing will be encrypting the same thing with my program. Okay. Take this example. Everyone should solve this. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is -2. This is -1. This is 3. Okay, done. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ? Okay, what is this Bellman-Ford algorithm? See, this Bellman-Ford is used to find the shortest path from edges. That is from edges to edges. That is from vertices to an edges. Are you getting? It is used to find. That is, if I take U as in U and V, if I need the path, this is a single source path. This is a single source shortest path, finding and single source shortest path. Are you getting? So A is been connected to B is connected to E, and there is no connection, direct connection, that is there is no multi-direct connection between B to A. Are you getting? This is a single source path. Okay, so this is a single source path. So how many edges are there? How many edges are there? How many edges are there? Sorry, how many edges are there?
6.
Okay, 6 edges are there. So you have to find the shortest path, that is n minus 1 iterations has to be done in this program. Understand? N minus 1. I'll write down ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಂತೀರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. See, I need to find, that is n minus 1. N minus 1 iterations has to be done. This is very important. N minus 1 iterations has to be done. So I'll give a code. See, I'll be just writing this here. If distance of u plus c, that is c of u comma v. C is nothing but your profit or your any value, take it as value or C, anything, is less than d of v. So d of u is equal to, sorry, d of v d of v is equal to d of high plus c of u comma v. This is one statement. This is an algorithm statement. See, what is the statement means? See, I have u of u comma v. U is one edges and one vertices. You have u and v. I have an u as in edges. That is v something. What is that u? What is meant by u? Anyone? What is meant by u? What is u? U and rain draw.
Edge, sir.
Huh?
Vertices.
Edges,
Vertex.
edges, and V is an vertex. Okay, if I take U and V, now I need to find distance between U and V. I need to find a distance between U and V where the conditions lies like this. The distance between U and V should be always single source. Should be always a single source in Bellman-Ford algorithm, and you have to find a route where the minimum profit or minimum cost should be there. You have to find a minimum cost. How many iterations has to be done? It is n minus 1 iterations has to be done. These are the conditions. These are the three conditions. What are the three conditions? What are the three conditions? What are the conditions? The conditions are like this. The conditions are like this. Find a route. Find a route. It should be of single source. It should be of single source. Find a route. It should be of single source. Next is minimum cost should be find out. Minimum cost should be there. This is one more what is this? One more condition. Minimum cost should be there. N minus 1 iterations has to be done compulsory. N minus 1 iterations has to be done. These are the conditions which we work on Bellman-Ford. By using this technique, we'll solve the program, and the same thing will be encrypting with my code. Are you getting? You have to find a road where it should be of single source. I have to find a minimum cost. Minimum cost should be there. N minus 1 iterations has to be done compulsory. So all this work should be done between U and V. What is U? U is an edges. V is an vertices. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ.
Yes,
ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? We will solve this. now I'm going to take A as my starting vertex. I'll take my A as starting vertex where the cost of this starting vertex is 0. Let it be. So I'm going to write down the edges of this graph. Okay, first I'm going to write edges of this. Okay, what is the edges from A I'm taking? A to B. Are you getting? A to B ಇದೆಯೇನಪ್ಪ? ಇರಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಐ ನೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. A, B. Okay, A to C ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, good. Next is A to D ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, done. Next is check with the B. B to E ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, done. Next is B to ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Next C to E ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇದೊಂದು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? B to
C to E.
B to E. ಸಾರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ?
C to B, C to E.
ಓಕೆ. ಇರಿ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? C to E ನಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? C to E ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
C to B, sir.
D to C ಇದೆಯಾ?
C to B.
D to C ಇಲ್ವಾ? D to C ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
C to B, sir.
C to B, sir.
C to B ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. C to B ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ. C to B. Next is
D to F.
D to F. Next is
E to F.
E to
F.
E to F. Next is last is C to B. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. Now we'll start this code. We'll take how many iterations has to be done now? ಎಷ್ಟು iterations ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ? ಇರಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನನ್ ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಿದು. ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay. Now check this code. We'll check. We'll start now. This is my first iteration. I'll start with how many iterations has to be done now? ಎಷ್ಟು iteration ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು iteration? So totally 6 iterations has to be done, right? 6 iterations has to be done. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. That is 6 iterations. Okay. See here.
Sir, N minus 1 alva.
N minus 1.
Alva.
That is 5 iterations has to be done. So okay, check this first iteration. Check the first iteration. A to A. Is there any edges from A to A? From A to A, there is any edges? That is 0. I'm taking
No,
because
sir.
take your starting verses. That is source is equal to 0. Consider this is very important. You have to consider. This is very, very, very important. Marthogbirtira idu. You have to consider source is equal to A. Anything you can take. Source that is S is equal to A. Okay. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, A to A is 0, right? Okay. At first point I'll make I don't have any root. I'll make everything as infinity. Because I don't have any cost. So I'm making my everything as infinity. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಪ್ಪ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now we'll start moving with the edges. That is A to B. There is an edges, right? A to B edges ಇದೆಯಾ? What is the cost
Yes,
now?
sir.
What is the cost? 0 plus 6.
6.
That is 6. Take it as 6. ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ನನಗಿದು ಸಾಕಿಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಓಕೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸಿಕ್ಸಾ ಓಕೆ ಎ ಟು ಸಿ
Yes, sir.
ಎ ಟು ಸಿ
4.
0 plus is 4
4.
next a to d a to
5.
d a to d is
5.
infinity goes with 5 next b to e b to e
B to E 6 no, 5, sir.
6 minus 5 that is 5 next c to e c to
C
e
to E is
c to e is
7.
4 3 here 4 plus 3 7 but my
7.
minimum cost is 5. Already I have updated 5
5,
5
sir.
ತಗೊಂಡ್ಲಾ 7 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಲಾ if I take
5,
if I
sir.
what is my
5.
correct okay that is the condition are you getting the condition
Yes,
you
sir.
have to check with one vertices with one edges and you have to check which is the minimum cost if the minimum cost is lesser update the minimum cost that is your algorithm. Are you getting? You have to check, you have to compare with the cost of one vertices with one other vertices. If the minimum cost is smaller or if the minimum cost is lesser than the minimum of the cost of previous cost, you have to update the minimum cost. Okay? You have to update the minimum cost. 5 is better, right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ 5 is better. D to C. D to C. D to C.
D to C.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು
3, sir.
D to C is
3.
3. Can I update?
3.
Update madla?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'll update as X 3. Next is D to F. D to F. 5
D
minus
to F
1.
is 4.
4.
4, sir.
4. Can I update? Oh,
Yes, sir.
update madla 4. Next is E to F. E to F.
E to F is 5 plus 3. 4, sir.
E
Because
to F
minimum
is-
value.
Okay. 5 plus 3 is 7.
8.
7. 7 will win 8. Okay. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I don't want need to update. That is, I have minimum cost is 4. So if can I take 4 or 7? Which I can take? What's the minimum cost I can take?
4, sir. 4.
4.
4, sir.
But yeah, C to B. C to B.
E to B is 1, sir.
1, sir.
C to B. Can I update 1?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll take 1. This is my first iteration. First iteration ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ?
Yes,
First
sir.
iteration ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay. Next, I'll go with the second iterations now. Okay, take the second iteration. A to B. A to B. Check with the A to B.
1, sir.
A to B. 1 is correct.
Yes,
1
sir.
is correct. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಬೇಡವಾ?
No.
0. Sorry. 6 plus
1,
0 is
sir.
6. 1 is correct. Okay. A to C. A to C.
3,
A to
sir.
C. 3 is good. Okay.
3.
A to D. A to D.
5.
5 is correct. A
Yes,
to D.
sir.
A to D. ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ
Yes,
A to
sir.
D. Okay. 5 ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay. B
Yes,
to
sir.
E. B to E.
B to
B
D.
to B to
0,
E.
sir.
B to E. That
0.
is 1 minus
0.
1. 0 update ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5 is updated with 0. Good. Next. C to E.
C to E is 0, sir.
6. 0, sir.
C to E. 0 is quite better.
Yes,
6
sir.
better or 0 better? 0 better
0,
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
sir.
Okay, good. Next, D to C. D to C.
D to C. 3,
D
sir.
to C. 3 is better. Okay, 3 is
Yes, sir.
better. Good. Next is D to F. D to
4,
F.
sir.
4 is better. D to F. D to F. 4 is better.
Yes, sir.
5 minus 1, 4. 4 is better. Good. Next, E to F. E to
E
F.
to F.
3, sir.
3,
E
sir.
to F. 4 na cancel
Three.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 3. Next is C to B.
C to B 1, sir.
Okay, 1. C to B.
1.
C to B. That is where C to B. C to B. 1 is better. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ
sir.
ಇದೆಯಾ? How your Bellman Ford works ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ you have to find till 5 iterations and you have to check. 3 iterations ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ minimum cost. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? The same thing will be solving with my code. The same thing. So for this I'm getting, that is for this I'm getting, wait. For this I'm getting A to A, that is edges from A to A is 0, A to B, that is A to B is 1, A to C is 3, next is A to D is 5, minimum cost. These are the minimum cost. A to D is 0, F is 3. This is my minimum cost I'm getting. Taking as source is equal to A. That is n minus 1. What is n minus 1? That is my 5 iterations I've taken. I'm getting. After solving this, I'm going to get the last output. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ.
Yes.
ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವೇಟ್. This is your second program. See here. I've told you the code, right? If a of sn, see something sn value, that is all your variables name, they have changed. So that variables name, you have to check the variables name. See here, private int d of d matrices, private int number, that is what 3 variables he has been called. And a static final int max value is equal to 999. What is this 999 means? Nothing but, so I'm taking my negative value. So negative value, if that is your infinity value, infinity anta draw madidvalla, starting al madidvalla 0 to a, infinity we have given, right?
Yes, sir.
Infinity, instead of infinity I'm giving 999. Okay, that is maximum value 999 I'm giving. Ashte getting. Call public Bellman for this dot num dot, so I'm taking my value, that is present, that value, that is object, that is this dot num verse is equal to num verse. I am stating this as in keyword. What is this? What is this? This andre eno? This is an, what is this key? What is it? Is an keyword, right? This is a keyword used in Java where it gives the present object, present object, current object. This keyword na very important. This is a keyword which is used to current object. Okay. Now when public void Bellman for evaluation int source comma int a of, that is I'm giving with the source value. For int node is equal to 1, node is less than or num value, I'm taking a value. And next is all, check with the next is all your programming language, that is for int node is equal to 1, take the first node, compare with first vertices with edges, compare with first vertices and edges. If it is lesser, if the value of second node is greater, update the lesser value. This is the programming. If for loop ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ program ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ, for int sn is equal to 1, sn less than or equal to numbers n plus plus, so n plus plus value update with the next value. If n of sn of dn not equal to max value, that is 999, I need to at the first iteration I have to delete my value called 999 alvenappa. No, first iteration madvalla 0 a to a, that is 0, and I have taken all the vertices as infinity. Now I need to eliminate all this 999 value, right? That is my infinity value, I need to eliminate, right? For that I am calling this statement, that is to eliminate that not equal to maximum value, update the present value first. You update the present value. After that updating, check again, run with the for loop, then update the new value. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದು? The same thing code they have explained. That's it. See, some graph he has been given. He has been explained with the graph. The same thing you have to write the graph. Okay. So I'll trace this code once. I will trace this code with an example, with line to line code na trace ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು WhatsApp ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Then you can go with line to line iterations. Getting? Okay na? Examples with example ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ನ? Okay, stop recording.